Hey guys, Slime Gamer here. Today is a special day. I finished building a Lego set, and it's totally amazing. Yeah. And it is Krennic's shuttle. Sorry if you could hear my sister. Hold on, I'm just gonna shut the door. If you don't remember that in my last video of today, I talked about how I got my new pet, Spike over here. This is my Spike. Spike! Okay, so now let's do the Legos. Let's just do this. First, we'll go over the box. What? That's just what I was going to do another one. So, this is the box. Yep, this is the front. It has a picture of the shuttle, a bigger picture of the shuttle. And it has the characters. We'll go over them later. I'll turn it. Yes. In the back, it shows you all the action features and everything. Next would be the instruction book. This is set number 75156. And the back code number is, focus, not focus, 6176369. When this book has how many pages? A lot of pages. Exactly 158. See right there. And then how many instructions are there? Like how many? This is very awkward trying to do this. Building instructions. There are how many steps? 227. Now we're done with that. Let's move this over here and take the figures down. And now we will go over these minifigs. First off, we have a Death Trooper. He has his cool printed shoulder pad, whatever. Then the head that I just love. Then the body, and then the gun. Why an angry clone face? They have so many other things, and they have to do an angry clone face for technically every kind of stormtrooper, and almost everything that's under a mask. So move that to the side there. Second is this same thing, just same Death Trooper, but a different Death Trooper. Whatever. Now we have Director Krennic. He has nice sand-looking hair, nice new silver blaster, coat. I like these new capes. They feel good. Black pants, white shirt, white cape. He's pretty good. Next, I will do K2SO. My favorite character in the whole movie, that little Imperial sign. Let me know in the comments if this video is fuzzy for you, because for me, it is very, just looking at the camera. Then there's K2SO. He used droid arms and droid feet, a custom, just if we take this apart, just take that away, that whole part is just custom made for that one guy. Then next, I keep forgetting his name. What's his name? I'm gonna look on the box. Someone in the comments tell me how to pronounce this name. His name is Pow, whatever that is, Pow, whatever, I call it Pow now. And, well, he's the dude on Scarif where when you're shooting and, oh god, good gun. And when they're shooting and at the new AT-AT, I keep forgetting the name, I just call it an AT-AT or a walker. When this guy literally just starts screaming, he has a backpack. I have to get this done soon. I have a backpack. Sniper Whiffle. I'm screaming, and you also can take that. Hold on a second. Turn it around. Put his little hat thing back on. He was like, I'm angry. Final character is Bowie. I think that's how you say it. Backpack. This is the pilot. And his little pistol. Ponytail. He has his goggles. You could switch around his head for him looking all happy without his goggles on. There will be a second part, and I'll do that in a few minutes. See you all later. Bye-bye.